Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. The first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then, at the back side of your speaker, we have SOUNDCORE plug. You need to open this plug and here is USB-C port. Connect USB-C cable right at this port. Now, the most important is to check the LED light near to the power button, and if you see this LED light, meaning that your speaker is charging. The second option is to charge using your phone, and all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now let's connect USB-C cable to the phone. And the second one to your speaker. Now, again, we need to check the LED light, we have it, so it also works. The third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your speaker from, let's say, your PC. So it looks like this. Connect USB-C cable to your speaker, and I'm going to connect USB-A cable to my PC, but you can also connect with another device that have USB-A port. So let's do this. And we need to check the LED light. We have it, so it's also charging your speaker. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!